We just arrived at Don Mueang International Airport. So this is the first airport after or before yung Suvarnabhumi. Daming Chinese na flight. So we're checking on yung exchange rate here. So alternate na siya. Alternate na airport. Tingnan namin yung exchange rate here. We're trying yung peso. 0.37 from peso. How reasonable yung mag-CR ka muna? Saan? I'm checking yung peso na kasi we're using yung peso just to test lang yung rate. Tapos yung taxi nila, saan yung taxi nila? Saan kakain? Dyan sa 7-Eleven? Ha? Kain tayo ng tama. Mag-share ka? Okay. So older yung airport na to, no? So Don Mueang Airport. We'll try yung exchange. Tingnan namin kung how reasonable yung exchange rate dito using peso. Kasi rather than getting it in converting the dollar, no? We'll try yung peso. How fair, how reasonable yung rate. Kasi supposedly mainstream na. Mainstream na yung peso here because we have a lot of Filipinos here working, no, or traveling in Bangkok.